Right, this is the old one which we removed from the vehicle. It's had its day. It needs complete refurbishing, but a kit for these is about 50 or 60 quid just to refurbish it. This is the new one which I'm going to fit. It's an electronic one. Doesn't have points like the old one. There's less maintenance once it's fitted. It bolts straight onto the car with the same connections, and it was about 70 quid on eBay, so hopefully it'll all go in and it'll all work okay. It fits in the same place, bolt holes are in the same place, so get it bolted in and connected up, and we see how it goes. Right, this should bolt straight in. Get that out of the way there. Right, well there's the first problem, is the original bolts don't fit. Original bolts don't fit, so we need to find some nuts and bolts to go in. Right, okay. Right, after much rummaging, I decided to look in the box, the bottom of the box, and it actually comes supplied with 2 bolts to fit it. So there we go. Silly me. Should have looked in the box. Comes supplied with 2 nuts and 2 spring washers. And what my goal eventually for this engine bay is to clean it all up and get it all presentable. But for now, I just want to get the car running so I can move it round and generally maintain it. I have done a bit of cleaning up, but it's a bit of a mess. I will eventually get it all looking nice. I don't intend to make a show vehicle out of it. I just want one that I can use from day to day. I'm sure we'll get there. Well, let's get a couple of spanners and tighten this up. Fuel pipe fits on. Nice fit. That just needs nipping up. That's the supply from the tank. Got a spanner for that. That nipped up. I need to put the fuel pipe on. Get the fuel pipe connected up and see if it works. So we've got a nice new piece of fuel pipe. That one there. Tighten it up. Right. Electrical connections. Right, let's get to this 10mm spanner. Right, we've connected the earth wire onto the body of the vehicle there. Now these two little nuts on the back here, if I take these off, oops, it's smaller than, it's only about 6mm I think that. So we need a 6mm nut and a 6mm spanner. So we need a 6mm spanner to take them off, and then these should just go straight on. Of course, like always, would have been better if I'd have took these off before I bolted the pump onto the vehicle. Would have been much easier if I'd have checked. But like everything, I never checked. Don't read should read instructions and stuff, I suppose. But at the end of the day, who cares? No big deal. It takes a minute. Nice. Ground goes on there. Let's bend that over. There's the ground. Up back up. Positive goes on there. Because of little nuts. Trying to keep my hands out the way. It's hard. There you go, that's on. Right. The fuel pump's fitted now, the connections are made, the inlet to the outlet, connected the hose to the carburettor, and time the Jubilee clips up, Now what we're going to do now, we're going to try and start the car and see if it'll run. Right, well, that's an excellent result. I can't run it long because it's got no water in it. So now, what we're going to do now is going to get some plugs, leads, radiator, etc, etc, and some new oil filter, and get it all working. Job done.